was looking like a fool when I met you. All covered.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fabulous day. You guessed it, today's video is a YSL handbag unboxing, and I know what you guys are thinking. You're like, wait a minute, I'm pretty sure we saw one like a week ago where you unboxed the YSL Tri-Quote envelope bag. Well, yes, you are right. I returned that bag. I know you guys are gonna think I'm crazy. So I was totally in love with that bag, as you can tell by the video. I'll be sure to link it down below in case you wanted to check it out. And I definitely did a lot of research on it. I had to pre-order it. I thought it was beautiful. And even when I got it and I unboxed it, I thought it was stunning. I even got a shelf for it, you guys. But I had it and it ended up just sitting for a while. And it was almost one of those bags where you could only wear it on dressy occasions. Now, I do work full-time in a business setting, so it would have been appropriate for there, but it just wasn't quite as practical in my mind if I compared it to the college bag, just for kind of what I needed it for. And in my mind, I was thinking, okay, well, if I was going to go out on a special occasion, I would use my Chanel bag. So I just didn't see where I would be reaching for the bag a lot, even though it was beautiful. I started thinking, okay, well, I can wear it as a crossbody, but it was a little big to wear as a crossbody. It was really, really dressy, and I wanted a bag that could be practical, a bag that I could use on the weekends, a bag that I could also wear to work too. And I'm sure you could do that with that, but on the weekends, I'm extremely casual, you guys. Since I have to dress up during the week, I'm very casual. I'll wear like yoga pants or running capris, something like that, sweatshirts, and I just want a bag that I could kind of have all the time, that I could use on a daily basis. And for the money that I invested in the envelope bag, I just didn't think that it was a good investment. I thought it would be one of those bags where I would just wear on special occasions, and I thought, that's stupid, Amber. Why did you do that? Because you have your Chanel bag, which is your favorite, which you use for special occasions. So even though I like the look of the envelope bag a little bit better, I don't have anything like it, I was on the hunt for a bag that was more practical that I could use. So I had major buyer's remorse. Okay, so I'm giving you guys the backstory. If you don't want to know the backstory, just kind of fast forward, but I have to tell you guys the backstory on this just because I feel like I need to explain myself. So I returned the bag. Mind you, I had to go to a Saks Fifth Avenue, and the closest one to me was like an hour and a half away. So I went and I returned the bag. And then I said, you know what, I'm not going to make any rash decisions, which I couldn't because they didn't have the college bag there anyway. I'm going to think about it. And you guys know we went on a ski trip recently. Well, the day before the ski trip, I started thinking about it, and I saw that Saks Fifth Avenue was having another gift card event. I'm like, another gift card event? How is this possible? They just had one. So they had another gift card event where if you spend a certain amount, you would get a gift card. And then on top of that, Saks Fifth Avenue also had the Ebates, the 10% Ebates. But it just so happened, you're not going to believe this, and this is where I thought it wasn't meant to be. I went to look for this bag that was available before, and it ended up not being available. So I thought, okay, you know what? This is not meant to be. I'm not supposed to do it, because for whatever reason, the gift card wasn't working, and the gift card coupon code wasn't working, and also I wasn't able to get the Ebates because if it was a pre-order, first I guess I just found out that it wouldn't charge your card until the day they shipped it to you, which might not be a day that Ebates is having 10% on Saks. So anyway, so I was thinking about this. I'm like, it's not meant to be, but let me reach out. I decided to reach out to the lady who helped me before, and she was so helpful. So if you guys are on the hunt for like a designer bag, and I would recommend reaching out to one of the sales associates. I just did it through chat online, and I was emailing with her back and forth as well. So she said, yes, the Saint Laurent is valid. You can use the coupon code, get the gift card. And she said, I was able to hunt one down for you in the store. And I said, well, the problem with that is I wouldn't get the Ebates. So she came back and said, okay, well, what if, so I'll send you the gift card, and then in addition, I'll give you 10% off the bag, which I don't know, guys. Once she said that, I felt like, you know what? She found the bag. She gave me 10% off, and then I am also getting a Saks Fifth Avenue gift card, which I can put towards something else. I thought, you know what? I think I think this is the bag that's for me. So I went ahead and I purchased this bag, and once again, I thought it was going to take a while. It said it wasn't going to arrive till March, but it actually came very, very quickly. It came just the other day, and YSL bags, for whatever reason, it didn't come in a box. It just came in a dust bag. So I wanted to do an unboxing with you and share it with you today. Sorry for the long story, but I felt the need to kind of explain myself because I know I just recently did do an unboxing, and I don't have it like that, guys, where I can buy, you know, a YSL envelope bag and then buy another one a week later. So I just kind of wanted to give you a backstory. But if I can offer any advice, it would really be, if you're going to buy a bag, really put research into it and make sure that's the bag you want. Now, unfortunately, because I don't have a YSL or a Saks Fifth Avenue or anything like that near me, I kind of had to get the bag, see it, feel it, that type of thing. And whereas I will tell you, anyone who gets the envelope bag, you're gonna love it. It's beautiful, it feels very durable. My thoughts haven't changed on it, but as far as practicality in my life, I just didn't feel it was the bag I was going to reach for all the time. And if I'm going to invest that kind of money, I want to use it all the time. I'll give you an example. You know, I bought my Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis. I can't remember when I bought that. I bought that quite some time ago. You guys, I use that bag all the time. My YSL camera bag, I use the bag all the time. I reach for it. I take it to work. I wear it on the weekends. So kind of when I look for bags now, I say to myself, if I'm going to invest the money, it has to be a bag I'm going to reach for all the time. So now, enough chatter. We're finally at the 7-minute mark in the video. We can unbox this. So it came, so again, I'm talking about the Saint Laurent large college leather satchel. So it comes in a dust bag like this. Very excited. Okay, so here it is. So it came with the shipping summary and like the price, which, like I said, I saved a couple $100, which was awesome. And the sales associate's going to send me a gift card in the mail, so I should be receiving it any day now, so I can put it towards something else, which is exciting. But I'm just going to buy something little. So anyway, so here is what the college bag looks like. It's so beautiful, and I know what you guys are thinking. You're probably going to say, that looks very similar to your camera bag, like your crossbody bag. Well, my camera bag is a lot smaller, and this one I like. It's a lot larger. The thing I really wanted was the top handle. I really like that because I found that with my Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis, I use the top handle a lot. So you can carry it like this, you can carry it on the crook of your arm, and then it also has a chain. So I opted for the college bag that had the silver mirrored hardware. Another thing I really liked about this bag is in the back it has a pocket, which is great. That's where I'm going to put my cell phone. Again, very similar to the Pochette Métis, which I am in love with the Pochette Métis. It's one of my favorite bags. If you guys are on the hunt for it or you're on the fence about it, I'd recommend that one as well. So because this one I felt was very similar to it, I wanted to pick this up as well. Okay, so the top handle here, just for reference, it has about a 3.15 inch drop. It is about 12.2 inches in width. It's 8.27 inches in height, and then the depth of the bag is 3.15. So I was looking at a lot of reviews on this bag, and a lot of people said when they first got it, it was really nice and shaped well, but they said over time, the bag, because it's kind of more of a squishy material, it tends to bend a little bit and lose its shape. So this bag is definitely not going to be quite as structured as the envelope bag, and that's okay with me because, like I said, I want a bag that I could wear casual, that I could kind of get a lot of use out of and just kind of not throw around, but I'm okay with it if it starts to lose its shape. But one thing I am going to do, I think I am going to try to keep this bag stuffed so that it does keep its shape, but I'm super excited about it. So again, it has a top handle, and then it has this magnetic clasp opening, and it is a really, really sturdy clasp, which I like. So you open it up and it is currently stuffed. So let me take the paper out, which, like I said, I am going to hang on to the paper because when I'm not using it, I am going to stuff it. So let me show you the interior. So you open it up, it has the little Saint Laurent logo there. It has a huge, huge pocket, so it's gonna fit so much. This is the authenticity card, which I'm gonna keep in here. So it also has a zip pocket right here, and then there's another pocket behind it. So it looks as though it can store a lot. And then it also comes with the chain. So here is the chain it comes with, and it hooks on. So let me hook on so I can show you guys. This is just a different way that you can wear it. And this chain is not the mirrored silver. It's silver tone, but it's kind of rusted a little bit, I guess you could say. So it looks like it has some wear. So it is meant to be a shoulder bag. So let me show you what it looks like. And you have to excuse me, I'm in my sweatpants. I get home from work and I just take my pants off and I put my sweatpants on. It's just more comfortable that way. So, okay, so here is the bag. You wear it on your shoulder like that, or like I said, in addition, you can also wear it on the crook of your arm. This is just the classic leather. Now this leather does feel a little more delicate than the envelope bag. The envelope bag had more pebbled leather and you could tell it was a little more durable. This one, the leather is very soft. So as I stated before, you can tell it's probably gonna lose its shape a little bit. But you guys, I'm really, really happy with this. As soon as I got the other bag, I was super excited, as you can tell in the video, but I just had a little bit of buyer's remorse and I had that pit in my stomach like, it doesn't feel right. And now that I have this bag, I'm really happy. I'm really, really happy because I feel like I'm gonna, like I said, wear this on the weekends. It's gonna be very practical for me. It seems like I can fit a lot. So I'm really excited about it, and I can do a couple more videos for you coming up. I can do a what's in my bag so I can show you how much this fits, and then I can also kind of do like a wear test, or I can even do a comparison. That is one video that I do want to do coming up, is a comparison between this bag and my Pochette Métis, because I love that bag so much. So I'm just kind of curious how the two compare to one another. So yeah guys, so again, this is my bag. It is the Saint Laurent College bag. I promise you I'm going to hold on to this one and not return it, but it was such a good deal I couldn't pass up, because you never really get percentages off of designers, and I was able to get a 10% off at Saks, plus in addition get a gift card sent to me that I can put towards something else, and I just couldn't, I feel like I had to take advantage of it. So this bag I feel is going to be so practical for me. I go to a business setting during the week, so it'll be perfect, and then on the weekends I think it will look nice too as a shoulder bag. Now the only thing with this one I do want to mention, you can't wear this one as a crossbody. I think you can buy straps for this, so you can wear it as a crossbody. So I'm probably going to wear it like this as a top handle, or on the crook of my arm like that. I just think it'll look really nice. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, I have a lot of exciting videos. If you want to see more handbag videos, let me know. I'm thinking of doing one coming up where I'm comparing my YSL camera bag to my Gucci Soho bag. They're very similar. And I know that for me, when I was deciding whether or not to get this, those type of videos are really helpful. So I thought, well, you know what? Let me try to put some of those videos out there, because if I can help anyone out, I would love to do so, because I know this is an investment and I don't want someone to have buyer's remorse like I did. Because you know, when I don't like making returns as it is. Making returns on a big purchase, it just kind of gave me like a little bit of anxiety. Of course, you'll do it because you know you got to get that money back, and you don't want to hang on to something that you're not in love with. And that's how I feel about designer handbags and that kind of stuff. If you're not in love with it, get rid of it, sell it, return it. You know, you have to make sure that you have items in your collection that you love, because otherwise it's just a waste of money in my mind. So thank you guys again. Make sure to hit that little subscribe button if you're new to my channel, and make sure to follow me on Instagram. Thank you guys so much again for joining me. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video.